Today we're going to be looking at the pictures that are on the screen, and then we're going to be typing in what letter they all begin with. So if I'm looking at these 5 pictures, I see a tiger, the number 10, a turtle, a tomato, and a tree. I hear that all of those pictures start with the sound of t, t, and I know that letter is the letter T. So over here it says, what letter do these start with? And then it has a question mark box. I'm going to double click on the question mark, which means 2 clicks on my mouse. 1, 2. And it's going to turn blue. Do you see how I selected it? It turns blue so I can type in that box now. And we said that these pictures start with the letter T. So I'm going to look on my keyboard on my computer and I'm going to find the letter T. It should be in the top row. I'm going to press the letter T, and now the question mark is replaced with the letter T. That shows the teacher that you know that the beginning letter for these pictures is the letter T. Then over here on the side are a whole bunch of different other ones to practice with. You're going to click on the next one, and then you'll get a different one. Again, when you're ready to click on the question mark, 1, 2 clicks makes it blue, and then you can type in the box. You can scroll down on the side to get to the rest of the practice sheets. When you're all done and you have no more to go, then you can turn it into Google Classroom. If you need some help doing that, please ask a friend.